Hello guys, let us learn one important word that can shape and strengthen a life. Some of you may have already heard or known it, but as I'm going to share a short motivational message inspired by this word, I want you to please listen it carefully till the end. And also I'm going to explain the word in Mizo at the end of the video. So one word, one lesson, let's get into it. The word is sang-froid, noun, meaning calmness and composure, especially in difficult or stressful situation. Example, she faced the emergency with remarkable sang-froid and guided everyone to safety. Despite intense pressure, he maintained his sang-froid and made the right decision. His sang-froid during the crisis inspired confidence in his team. The captain's sang-froid helped prevent peace among the passengers. Okay, now, dear friends, let me share a short motivational message inspired by the word sang-froid. In the midst of chaos and uncertainty, he maintained his sang-froid. While others were overwhelmed by fear and panic, he remained calm and composed. His ability to think clearly under pressure helped him make wise decisions and inspired confidence in those around him. In the end, his sang-froid proved that true strength is often found not in loud reactions, but in quiet self-control. Ole tuna chuan kan word zirtak sang-froid kha a Mizo tongin kan soifia vele shim don ani a Mizo tong chuan ha dam rui zam mia lo hlom lo thlen hun po a in thunun thei ti na ani a friends tong chuan thi sen vote ti na ani nge ani ole khati zong kha tun chumata na word pakhat manga kan zir ho thei chu ani a ngai thatu zong ten hlok na pakhat tal kan nei cheu theina turin du sakna ka hlan chewa min lo ngai thlak sak tu zong te chunga thinlung takin lom thu ka soi bok ani.